Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can remove all browsing data and cookies or site data in the Avast web browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Avast web browser and then click into these three dots in the top right. Then navigate to this feature here, Privacy Cleaner, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete. That is going to redirect you to this window. So from here, select the time range, last 15 minutes, last hour, day, and so on and so forth. If you click into more, select all time, for example, and then click into show more to gain access to the list of all items and browsing components you may keep or delete. So let me delete all of them and then confirm by deleting, by clicking to this button here. That's it. As you can see, the browsing data has been deleted. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.